Today I'm going skiing and I'm actually going to film for once. I went the past couple days and didn't really get any shots. Kind of just messing around, getting my feet back under me and stuff. Let's go. That guy's probably like, what the? Back at Pine Knob. I'm at Pine Knob for the first time this season. I just miss coming here every day. Like, so many good times. I miss it here so much. Like, I just miss having a tow rope and all the friends and everybody. Mitch and my brother are coming. They're kind of late and they have like half my stuff. So I'm wearing these mittens that I was gonna give to Jamie. Sorry, Jamie. And this like, not even a jacket, but it's okay. It's gonna be a pretty good day.
Wrist.
Finally skiing with me.
Watch out.
Bro, it's taking so long.
Good. He's good. Here he comes. Super good. They got good bourbon and they got a good rye. You got it, dude. Keep trying. I don't know what to do with it.
Oh, we're still going. We're still going.
Hey.
Hey, hey.
I tried to shut it off.
Hey, it's okay.
I had to start my car so it's not so chilly.
That's fancy. Can you see it from here?
It's down there somewhere. Oh yeah, it's right there.
That's crazy. See ya.
We're coming back. My feet hurt. I need to get these boots on.
B-roll we need.
This is the picture.